Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a ta-da video that I made. Here is a beautiful tunic that I have knit, and you can check the videos on the comment section, which I have pinned. And I used up total of 9 balls, which were 50 gram each, and each ball had 100 and let me just find that for you. 120 meter, 131 yards. So there were lots of yardage on the 9 balls that I have. It's a plus size, of course. It will fit comfortable up to a 4 extra large. It's 60% cotton, 40% linen, which I bought, and this yarn was in my stash for years. And finally, I finished another whip. Yeah, so I wore this on my live stream today, and you can go and check it out. There's no music, unfortunately, due to copyright, but you are welcome to go and check it on my TikTok page. It's already posted. And I am going to be posting it on my Instagram saying, hello, August. Happy knitting, happy crocheting. Yeah, you guys take care. Enjoy the video. Unfortunately, there's no sound due to the copyright. Again, I am phrasing that. And the dress that I'm wearing is from Superstore. It's 100% cotton. You guys take care. Happy knitting, happy crocheting. Bye-bye.